So keep this coloring is taking long.
Talk louder. Hold on. Let me turn off my fan.
Hurry up. Coloring.
I'm here too.
I can't move for a second. I'm doing something.
My voice chat did kind of get provoked, so that's kind of bad. Come on, let's go. What the heck? Are you coming or not? This is our like second time playing this. Okay, I can buy it. Game's like taking forever. Yeah, I top saved this
Hold on, Pomni.
floor. Hurry up, Kane.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
We gotta wait.
Anyone wants to play with me?
Oh wait, Mary. No, I have you added.
Okay.
Bro.
I have you added.
Bro.
Should we play together?
Bro. Okay, let's
Yeah,
just
sure.
hurry. Come on, before they come.
Pomni,
Hurry
use your mic, please. Oh.
Bro, I saw like a girl who looks like an uwu cat. Oh my god.
My friend.
I saw a girl who looks like an uwu cat. Kane, you record on
What?
your thingy. You record for your video.
No, I'm not recording for anything.
Fine.
Miriam.
Look at me.
Miriam, my friend. You meanie. I'm slapping. Can we knock it up beside your head?
You have to work in here. I have to work over here.
Hold on, wait. I need a taser, bro. I need a taser. I want a taser. At least. I mean, Pomni.
It didn't. It barely went.
Go do your thing.
I have to work over
You're
there.
gonna
So
be
you
doing
tell
this
me what
stuff.
patience.
Yeah, they are. Wait, that one is
What?
lighter than this one. The horn is lighter than the other one.
Oh yeah, Kane. You also have to tell the guy that comes here and bangs his head.
Oh my.
You gotta tell the guy who bangs his head right here. As you can see. Kane, look at me. Kane. 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 Okay. Kane's probably not here right now. Okay, now, the guy who comes here and bangs his head here, Kane, the guy who bangs his head here, you have to tell him to leave. So you have to come out and tell him to leave, okay? I'm going to work on my thingies.
Do I have to what?
When the guy comes like from here, the one where he bangs his head, you have to tell him to leave.
Do I have to type it in chat?
No, it's gonna be a thing that
I have
says
to
like,
type it in
it's
chat?
gonna be a button you have to hold that says ask to leave.
Okay.
Microwave.
doctor's coming. The new hire. There's Dr. Hollow. Harlow. Anything gets straightened, just keep working. How better than security cameras. Hold up, Pomni, hold up. Let's both stay in here until the wait.
Alright, well, I'm gonna go work my job.
Wait.
If
Wait,
anyone
the
is
lights are
stinky,
open.
don't let them in. Don't let him in. Close the door.
Yeah. Stay in here. Come inside. Come inside.
I have to go work the patients.
Wait, we gotta see until the creepy people come. Let's wait till the 2 creepy people come.
Check their picture.
Okay, let's check this photo.
They're good.
He looks fine. He's good. Wait, hold on. I think the creepy people coming. Wait.
Come on, ma'am or sir, whatever you are. The eye thingy is in room 5.
We're back, Pomni. I'll do something for you. This is my for eliminate each ship.
The eyes is in room 5.
What a creepy people.
Dang, I'm too broke.
Give me my money. I don't know what.
Kane.
Thank you.
Kane, I need you to go to room 4 and do the eye drops for me, please. The eye drops for the eyes. Go do that for me. Room 4. Look up. You're gonna have to look up. Do the eye drops.
The eye drop.
Look up and do apply
It doesn't
treatment.
work. There is no button for apply treatment.
Yes, there is. You gotta look up.
There isn't.
Okay, you did it.
AFK.
Did you give him his coffee?
I just gave Barney from Backyard Indians a cup of coffee.
Okay.
Did you lose permission for your mic? Oh. No.
I've never done room 6.
That one cut in room 5. Excuse me. Who just died?
What are you doing?
Who did you just...
Don't worry about it.
Murder.
Shut up! We're not gonna go over the fact that you murdered like multiple people.
Wait, where am I rushing over here?
I needed that
may seem unstable.
I can't
No,
even
it's
say
shift 5. 8.
Wow.
I can kill someone.
We remember the last time what happened.
It's really bad though. I'm for bad people, don't worry. You killed somebody.
Shut up, man. Move. I need to take care of Bradley.
That's why.
Being small has an advantage.
I never served one like this before.
I hear things.
I'm scared.
Dangerous job.
Wait, they show me that. Yes. No, I'm doing this. I'm doing this, I said.
I'm literally the nurse.
Come on, sir. Be careful. I might made that.
Haha.
Hey, no.
Bro, I'm literally the nurse. You work at the front office.
No.
I only killed one
go.
patient. You killed 2 the last time.
What is this?
Maybe don't wait.
It was an anomaly, okay?
Kane?
I need to, I don't know for it.
Kane? I need you to do the eye drops in room 8. I need you to do the eye drops in room 8, please. Because I need to do surgery in there. Hello? Can't, oh. I guess I'll do it.